Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to creating moving pictures in CapCut application. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the CapCut application. So I would like to tell you that the device that I use today is iPhone XR. Okay, hold on. And this is the look when the CapCut is open. The things we have to do now is just go click the new project, and now we just need to choose which photo that we want to add to. For example, this one, and after that you just need to go click add. And now in the project we already have this picture, and how to make this picture moving, we just need to go click this project, and after that you just need to go click style. In the style you just need to find out which style that you want to add into your picture and what move that you want to add into the picture. You can do a camera shake, or you can also 3D zoom pro right there. So mostly I will use this trending style, means that this style is really often to be used by the CapCut user. So somehow I would like to use this since it's quite popular among the other style. So, and after you're done choosing this style, you just need to go click this and do a recheck right there. Your picture now is already moving, and when you're satisfied with the result, you just need to export this. And that's all. That's the way how to create a moving picture in a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.